Hey, Tech. Glad you're here. I want to buy this store.
You do? You'd like to buy the store?
Store 13.
Awesome, let's do it. So I'm going to show you how to make a store, because
Okay.
I'm sure you have no idea what you're doing.
Not a damn clue.
Okay, so I want you to stand next to that chest right in there,
Okay.
and I'm going to break it for you so you can get all of the tools you're going to need to make a store.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so I am going to place a sign right up here that's going to show you the basic syntax for making a store. So let me just quickly write this out. You're going to want the quantity on the second line. You're going to want the item on the third line, and then you're going to want the price on the fourth line, just like that. Do you see that right up there?
Oh, that seems pretty easy.
Okay, so I want you to place your sign with whatever you're going to sell. What are you going to be selling, bud?
Emeralds. Little
Emeralds?
gems. I'm going to call it gems.
Gems? Okay, very cool. So you're just going to have the buy in brackets at the top. You're going to have the quantity. How many are you going to be selling at a time?
Let's do one at a time.
You're going to do one at a time. Very cool. You're going to want the item on the third line. And then how much are you going to charge for these amazing things?
Let's say, I don't know, $300.
$300?
300.
Oh my goodness. That is an amazing price for this. I guess. Okay, awesome. Now what? Oh, well, this is where it gets really difficult. What we here at Podrealm recommend is you place your chests under your store. That way you have more selling room up top with your signs, and then more chest room down at the bottom.
Good thinking.
So why don't we head under here? There's already a nice little hole dug out of this store. I guess this is a pre-owned store you're getting.
It's like a hobble.
Yeah, there you go.
Sweet. All right.
Okay.
So I assume I place my chest
you can
down.
place your chest anywhere, just as long as you remember where it is. Because if once you get a lot of chests, it might become difficult to remember which chest is which when you're trying to like restock, for instance. But for now, it doesn't matter where you place it. So since you're selling one emerald or gem at a time, in the top left corner for right now, you're just going to put one in there.
Oh, so I can't put the whole thing.
No, you don't want to put the whole thing in there right now. Otherwise, when they click on your sign, they will buy all of them for that price. So you're going to put one in there right now, and then you're going to pull out the redstone dust that you got, and then you are going to punch the chest. Just like so.
Stored location. Okay.
And then you're going to climb up this ladder here, or however you plan on getting out of your store.
Oh, dear.
You have to do some fancy jumping.
I do. There we go. I'm out.
Except I can't jump. I need to learn how to jump. And then you're going to punch your sign.
That's not going to break it?
No, it's not going to break it at all. You're going to punch it as if you're really angry. Like, just punch it right in the face. And it turns blue when it's activated. So now, what you can do is you could go down there. So let's go down there. I'll follow you down. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click, or not click, you're going to open your chest and then put all of your inventory or stock of that item in it. Cool. Okay? So now if you click on the sign here, and I'll go do it as a test. Okay, once you click on this sign right here, I just bought one of your emerald blocks for $300.
Ooh.
So I'm gonna
we'll be notified every time somebody buys our stuff.
Yes, you're gonna get notified every time somebody buys your stuff. But before the normal players can buy your stuff, see, that's just a test. But in order to unlock it for everybody, what you have to do is in chat, you have to type /C remove, one word, the letter C, remove, and hit enter, and then you're going to punch your sign, like left click. You're very angry at it, you're going to punch it.
Remove block.
And then it's going to remove the block. So I did the same command too, so I hopefully whoops, I'm breaking stuff, don't mind me. Okay, so now your sign is available for the public to buy. Very, very cool. You have your own little shop, and keep in mind, guys, or not keep in mind, guys, keep in mind, Red, when you buy your shop, you have the entire vertical area of the shop, so you could go potentially all the way down to bedrock if you wanted to expand your shop.
Oh, okay. Hey, am I allowed to go above? Can I go up here?
No, you cannot. We want our shop owners here in Podrealm, at the Podrealm shop store community, whatever you want to call it, to keep their shop design to change. The only thing we have allowed thus far is for you to change the white wool to whatever color you want, but other than that, we want the style to be the same.
Okay, cool.
So you are the proud owner of Store 13 now.
Perfect.
And hopefully now you know how to create a shop. And one thing I want to tell you is when you create another sign and you want to sell a different item, you have to have a different chest for it. You can't just put it in the same chest as your other as your gems.
Oh,
so because if you
okay.
put them in this, because each sign is linked to a different chest.
To that chest. Okay. Now, does it matter where I have the chests?
It does not matter where you have the chest. You can have it anywhere, but again, we recommend you put it underground, so it gives you more selling room up top. Because when people are walking around the shops, like, hold on, let me show you this example, Red. So it's like, oh, I really want to buy some emeralds. Let's see. This person doesn't have any emeralds. Oh, this person doesn't either. So it's like, oh, this person does. But see, if they have to go underground if you have like a continued store underground, which you can do if you start running out of space and you don't want to spend money to upgrade to a new store, you want to have the most important stuff you want to sell up top, because that's where people are going to look first.
That makes sense.
If you have a sign down here and people have to actually go down here and find what they're looking for type thing, they're probably going to go to the next person who actually is selling that item up top.
Oh, okay.
So there you go.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
You are sure welcome. Hopefully this helps you out in your store creating adventures, I guess, if you could call it that. And yeah, enjoy.
Thanks. All right. Bye-bye.